Hi. Let me show you step by step how to upload your documents in TIOmarkets website. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your TIOmarkets account. Step 2. Click on Account Verification. Click on Client Documents. Step 3. Scroll to the end of the page and upload the requested documents. Step 4. Upload your documents. Step 5. Your documents have been successfully uploaded. Our compliance team will review your documents and update the status accordingly. That's it. You have now successfully uploaded your documents and are ready to start trading. Good luck.